हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू दी पार्ट 2 डे 1 ऑफ गोवा ब्लॉग्स विद सलोनी का सब। जैसा कि मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि इस वीडियो में मैं कवर करूंगी हाउ वाज माय डे 1 एट गोवा। तो फर्स्ट डे मैं रुक रही हूँ मॉर्जिम बीच पे, विच इज दिस वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी इन नॉर्थ गोवा, विच इज बुइना विला गोवा। हियर यू कैन सी द इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल। हम लोगों ने अपना बुकिंग अगोड़ा ऐप के थ्रू किया था। इट इज वन ऑफ द वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी इन नॉर्थ गोवा। इट इज जस्ट नियर टू द मॉर्जिम बीच। तो लेट मी शो हाउ इट लुक। आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि द बीच इज जस्ट नियर टू दिस प्रॉपर्टी। इट्स लाइक अ बीच एक्सेस। तो सबसे पहले जो हम लोगों को रूम एलोकेट किया गया है, विच इज बीच व्यू रूम, वहां पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं। It has a open seating area where you can dine in with your friends and family with a proper beach view। चलिए चलते हैं हम लोग अपने रूम की तरफ और वहां से मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि टोटल कितने बीच व्यू के रूम है। ईच एंड एवरी रूम इन लोगों ने इस तरीके से बिल्डअप किया है कि अगर आप बाहर भी बैठते हो तो द मॉनसून इज नॉट गोइंग टू अफेक्ट यू। यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा एक बार विच ऑफर्स ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ अल्कोहलिक एंड नॉन अल्कोहलिक ड्रिंक्स। So this is how the overall property of Buena Villa beach view, how it looks like. So now coming to the best part, they also have like a very aesthetic corner which is the gate to the beach. See how beautiful it looks. One more interesting part is that this property offers a common jacuzzi which is accessible for all. So for booking this jacuzzi for your private time, you can inform the staff prior and they will keep everything ready for you. You can see this is our jacuzzi which we are going to book, and just opposite to jacuzzi there's a beach. So since it was already evening that we couldn't stop ourselves to enjoy this breathtaking sunset. Now coming to the most important part, that is the room tour. So let me enter my room and show you how the internal view looks like. So here you can finally see the room. The moment you enter you feel that it has some vintage vibes with few aesthetic corners. The furnitures were also promising to all the interiors. And yeah, going ahead now we'll move towards the washroom. So the best part about this washroom is that the moment you enter and then you have a private door which takes you to the private corner of this villa. Up next, coming to the most interesting part. So the moment you open the back door of this villa, you have like a little private lawn. It has like sufficient space where you can have your private time and party and you can chill here. So this is what the overall room tour experience looks like. After the long days, we were kind enough to treat ourselves with some pizza and some pasta before even getting ready to go to the jacuzzi. You can see how Prashant is already chilling here before even I came. After this tiring day of traveling, everything was so perfect when we went into jacuzzi. So we were chilling and having our private times. So this is how our evening looked like, where we had a lot of food, chit chats, over a warm bath. So somewhere after 6 o'clock, you can see the vibe of this place. It was all set to make us feel that we are into Goa. It was so romantic. Whenever you are staying in Morjim beach, you can't leave tomatoes because this is one of the famous place at Morjim beach. Let me inform you one thing, that even before entering tomatoes, they have certain criterias. For couple they charge 1500 rupees, for stag they charge 2000 rupees, and for girl it's totally free with drinks. So here at this place it's a real vibe where you can see Russian dance, and they have variety of food of different cuisines. And the stag which you will pay here, it's completely redeemable inside, so you can redeem all your amounts inside. So how much ever you pay, you can order something of that. After which we tried taking some selfies and having our own moments, and we enjoyed some of the very tastiest cuisine that is famous in tomatoes. After enjoying a beautiful tomatoes vibe, we are back our stay, and we were really tired and we were all set to sleep. The next morning was really fresh for us. The very first activity that we did after waking up was take a very good walk along the beach shore, and we were all set to move towards our day 2 stay. I'm really excited and I can't wait to share with you all where our stay was at day 2. Related to our Buena Villa stay, you can find it in the description box. Thank you for watching, guys. However, if you liked my Goa vlogs, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will soon be pasting the day 2 vlogs of Goa about what we did, what we had and what has happened. So stay tuned for my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye.